Hi everybody. I can't afford one of those electronic reader prompters, so I just write it on a piece of paper, and you know, it's really cool. Like, look at all the edges, right? Anyway, this is a video, and the video is Jebb Adams sews. And you guys are gonna love this video. You know why? I don't talk a lot in it. I'm mostly doing instead of describing or explaining. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, in this short video, I sew this cloth. This is cloth. This cloth checkbook holder. This is my checkbook. It's empty, like my bank account. And so that's what I made last night on my on one of my Singer 401As. That one behind me. And so that fits in there. And why did I do that? Well, do I need a checkbook holder? A checkbook folder? I already told you I don't have any money. But I need to practice, and I'm learning how to sew finally after almost 4 years. And that was the original plan back in late March 2020 when I bought the first sewing machine. It was to sew something. It was to sew canvas covers for the winches on my sailboat. But I got diverted and became an apprentice restorer, a wannabe restorer. But like, I have no training. I'm not a professional, you know. So buyer beware, caveat emptor, and all that stuff. So anyway, I don't need to use checkbook holders. A couple of items I would like to be able to make. I would like to make like a vest coat. You know, like you see, it has the 3 or 4 buttons at the front, the little pockets, and it's got no sleeves. And guitar players wear them, and troubadours, and you know, motorcycle gang guys and that. And so that's one thing that I'd be interested in making. And then the other thing I might want to try is like a below the waist, just above the knee lab coat or workshop coat. Think Jebb Adams restorer coat. Anyway, so that's what I'm thinking of. In this video, you know, for at 1 minute and 15 seconds, the police siren, oops, it's downtown Montreal. Besides, I am an apprentice restorer. Restorers should know basic sewing. Just like sailboat makers should have sailed. Would you buy a boat from a guy, would you buy a wooden sailboat from a guy, and the guy who built it, or the lady who built it, the people who built it, had never sailed? You know, they've got a great program on their computer. Anyway, I'm just joking around. Restorers should know basic sewing, just like sailboat makers should have sailed. It helps. You're going to love this segue. Speaking of helping, please subscribe. And thank you. And I do want to thank all my subscribers. I'm going to be improving the quality of this channel in general in the next 365 days in particular. And subscribers are going to be paid some respect, a little more recognition. There's going to be a little recognition for subscribers of Jebb Adams' channel within the next, less than a year. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say there. And the other thing I love about this is this desk that I'm using. It has a knee pedal on there, so I was able to put the foot pedal in the desk, and now I use the knee pedal to run the needle bar, you know, to run the motor, which I really enjoy. I really do like that. But like I say, I'm not a sewer. I never really have been, and this is like really, like I have laid down a few hems, like, you know, like maybe a dozen or less, but I'm not really a sewer. But now I sew. This video already helps me, so I hope you will find it worthwhile as well. this video is helping me by sitting here and sewing, and I hope that you get some benefit from it too. So listen, have fun, take what you can, and use it to have fun. I am glad you're here. This is also to let you know that I see a Singer 503 bobbin winder video coming soon. I think that's the end of my intro. So I'll say it here. You know, if you watch it all the way through, thanks for watching all the way through. Please subscribe and have fun, keep safe, and we'll talk again. We'll see each other soon. So I just want to get some pins on here just to add some kind of coordination. So I'm putting them in this way because I'm thinking that as this goes up the needle, I can just pull them out with my left hand and dump them over there. So it does have an E-pedal, which I really like. I want to try and lay it right about there. Like about 3/8 of an inch, not quite a quarter. And then I want to make another one, another pass, right? Do a backup, going forward again. Is that where I want to lay it? Or do I want to go right down there? Let's try right down there. So there's the bottom with the red thread. There's my reverse. Let me get those guys out of there. There, I didn't miss the cloth. Could have gone more complete down there. I'm really loving this sewing stuff. You know, I love doing restorations and playing with machines, but this sewing stuff is really, really a lot of fun. So that's that one. That was an earlier test one I had done. So yeah, I mean, it's nothing fancy. I'm just trying. I'm succeeding at what my goal is, because the thread is working. It's stitching, and it's somewhat straight, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to do another one down here now. Okay, now I'm ready again. I'm loving it, I'm telling you. No doubt there. Good, I've got 2 on hem sides there that I can practice on. too. So I'm really grateful you're here. So listen, have fun, take what you can, and use it to have fun. I am glad you're here. This is also to let you know that I see a Singer 503 bobbin winder video coming soon. You know, if you watch it all the way through, thanks for watching all the way through. Please subscribe and have fun, keep safe, and we'll talk again. We'll see each other soon.